Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
In this video, we will see the problems based on section formula and midpoint formula. In my previous videos, we have seen how did we derive section formula and midpoint formula. So if you haven't watched that, there is a link in the description box below. You can check that out. Now let's move on to this problem. Here it says, find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points A of minus 1,7 and B of 4, minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. So here they have asked us to find the coordinates of the point that divides A and B in the ratio 2:3, right? So first let's write what is given. So given here is A of minus 1,7 and a point B is 4, minus 3. And ratio 2:3 is nothing but your M and N, right? So M is 2 and N is 3. So first let's take the required point B, P of x, y. So let the required point be P of x, y. Alright. So by section formula, section formula is given by x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, right? And your y is my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, right? So here this is your x1 y1 and this is your x2 y2, right? So now let's substitute the value. M is 2 into x2 here is 4 plus n here is 3 into x1 is minus 1 by m plus n. So 3 plus 2 is 5, right? Similarly, your y is m is 2 into y2 here is minus 3 plus n is 3 into y1 here is 7 by m plus n is 5, right? So here x, so your x is 2s are 8, so 8 plus into minus is minus, 3 1s are 3 by 5, right? And your y is minus 3 2s are 6 plus 3 7s are 21 by 5. So therefore your x is 8 minus 3 will give you 5, 5 by 5. This is nothing but 5 1s are 5 1s are. So your x is 1. In this case y is minus 6 plus 21 will give you plus 15 by 5. So 5 1s are 5 3s are 3 is 15. So your y is 3. So therefore the required point P is x, y. Here x is 1 and your y is 3. The point P of 1, 3 will divide the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3. Right? Now let's see another problem. Now let's see this problem. Here it says, find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A of minus 5, 4 and B of 7, minus 8. So first let's write what is given. So given here is A of minus 5, 4 and B is 7, minus 8. So we have to find the coordinates of the midpoint. So that is coordinates of this, right? So first let's take, let m of x, y be the required point. Alright, so we know the coordinate x is given by x1 plus x2 by 2 and your y is given by y1 plus y2 by 2, right? So by substituting the values, we have x is equal to, this is your x1 y1 and this is your x2 y2, right? So x1 here is minus 5 plus x2 here is 7 by 2 and y is equal to, y1 here is 4 plus y2 here is minus 8 by 2. So this x will give you, minus 5 plus 7 will give you 2. So 2 by 2 is 1, right? So your x is 1. 4 minus 8 will give you minus 4 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. So your y is minus 2. So therefore, the required point is m of x here is 1 and your y is minus 2. Now let's see one more example. Now let's move on to this problem. Here it says, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points A of 7, minus 2 and B of 1, minus 5. First let's write what is given. So here given is A of 7, minus 2 and the coordinates of B is 1, minus 5, right? Here it says to find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment. Let's say we have a line segment AB. Trisection means dividing this line into 3 parts. So 1 part, 2 part and 3 part, right? That means let's take this point as P and this point as Q. So here they have asked us to find the coordinates of these 2 points. Alright, I hope you got the point. Now let's write this in words. Let P and Q be the points of trisection of line segment AB. Of line segment AB, right? Then the P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Then P divides AB in the ratio 1:2, right? So this is your M and this is your N. So the coordinates of P are P is given by P of, we know the section formula, right? That is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, right? So here x1 and y1 is this and your x2, y2 is this. Alright, so let's put this formula. We have P of m here is 1, so 1 into x2 is 1, right, plus n is 2 into x1 is 7 by m plus n, so 1 plus 2 is 3. Similarly m is 1 into y2 is minus 5 plus n here is 2 into y1 here is minus 2. Divide by m plus n is 1 plus 2, that is 3. So let's simplify this. We have P of 1 into 1 is 1, 1 plus 7 2s are 14 by 3. And here we have 1 into minus 5 is minus 5, plus into minus is minus, 2 2s are 4 by 3, which implies P of 14 plus 1 is 15 by 3, so 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. Similarly here we have minus 5 and minus 4 will give you minus 9 by 3. So 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. So therefore the coordinates of P are 5, minus 3. Right? Similarly we will find the coordinates of point Q. But before that, pause the video and note this down. Now let's find the coordinates of point Q. So now Q divides the line AB in the ratio 2:1. Agreed? So in the ratio 2:1. So in this case M is 2 and N is 1. So the coordinates of point Q is given by Q into mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Alright, so now let's substitute these values. We have Q of m here is 2, so 2 into x2 is 1 plus n here is 1 into x1 here is 7 by m plus n is 2 plus 1 is 3. Similarly, my2, so m is 2 into y2 is minus 5 plus n is 1 into y1 here is minus 2 by m plus n is 3. So now let's simplify this. 2 ones are 2 plus 7 ones are 7 by 3. Plus into minus is minus, 5 twos are 10, plus into minus is minus, 2 ones are 2 by 3. Right? So Q of 7 plus 2 is 9 by 3, and here minus 10 and minus 2 will give you minus 12 by 3, right? So 3 ones are 3 threes are 9, in this case 3 ones are 3 fours are 12, which implies Q of 3 comma minus 4. So therefore the coordinates of Q are 3 comma minus 4, right? In a similar way, you can find the coordinates of the points on the line segment. Say, let me do here. You can find the coordinates of the points on the line segment AB, where this line segment is divided into 4 equal parts. If say they have asked 4 equal parts, right? So now you have to find the coordinates of P, Q and R. So in that case, P divides AB in the ratio 1:3. Alright, and Q divides AB in the ratio 2:2. And R divides AB in the ratio 3:1. So keeping this in mind, you can solve similar type of questions. Now let's see this problem. Here it says, if the coordinates of the points A and B are minus 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of the point P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB, where P lies on the line segment AB. So first let's write what is given. So given here is point A whose coordinates are minus 2 comma minus 2 and point B whose coordinates are 2 comma minus 4, right? And we have to find the coordinates of the point P, right, such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB, where P lies on the line segment AB. So now we have a line segment AB where P is a point on the line segment, right, such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 into AB. So now we have to find the coordinates of point P. So now first let's write this given relation. We have AP is equal to 3 by 7 into AB, right, which implies AP by AB is equal to 3 by 7, right? Now if you see here AB, here AB can be written as AP plus PB, right? So let's write that. So AP by AB can be written as AP plus PB, which is equal to 3 by 7. So now let's cross multiply here. We have 7AP is equal to 3 into AP plus PB, right? We will simplify this. We have 7AP is equal to 3AP plus 3PB, right? So now let's bring this AP term together. We have 7AP minus 3AP is equal to 3PB, right? So this implies 7AP minus 3AP will give you 4AP, right, which is equal to 3PB. Now we want AP by PB, so which implies AP by PB is equal to 3 by 4. That means P divides AB in the ratio 3:4, right? Here M is 3 and N is 4. Now let's apply the section formula in order to find the coordinates of point P. So let me erase this part and continue here. So by section formula, coordinates of point P is given by mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and the coordinate y is given by my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, right? So x1 y1 in this case is point A and a point B is x2 y2. Now let's substitute the values of x1 y1 and m and n in this equation. So we have P of m here is 3, so 3 into x2 is 2 plus n is 4 into x1 is minus 2 divided by m plus n is 3 plus 4, which will give you 7, right? Similarly, my2, m is 3 into y2 is minus 4 plus n here is 4 into y1 here is minus 2 divided by m plus n is 3 plus 4, that is 7. So now let's simplify this. We have 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, plus into minus is minus, 4 2s are 8 by 7, plus into minus is minus, 4 3s are 12, plus into minus is minus, 4 2s are 8 by 7, right? The coordinates of point P is 6 minus 8 will give you minus 2 by 7, right? And in this case minus 12 minus 8 will give you minus 20 by 7. So therefore, the coordinates of the point P is minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7.
This is it in this video. We will solve some more problems under this topic. See you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.